Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's got fans of courtroom dramas buzzing. What happened to Judge Faith on Divorce Court? If you're a fan of the show, you know Judge Faith Jenkins was the epitome of poise and authority, handling real-life divorce cases with a mix of empathy and straight talk. Let's break this down step by step. First off, a quick recap for those new here. Judge Faith Jenkins took the helm of Divorce Court back in 2014, replacing Judge Lynn Toler. With her background as a former Miss District of Columbia, a law degree from Georgetown, and experience as a prosecutor, she brought a wealth of real-world expertise to the bench. Her rulings were always fair, and her no-nonsense style made her a standout TV personality. So, what happened in 2022? That's when things took a turn. Judge Faith announced she was leaving the show after 8 successful seasons. Fans were shocked and curious. Did she get fired, or was it her choice? From what we know, it was a mutual decision. She wanted to explore new opportunities beyond the courtroom set. Rumors suggested she was eyeing roles in other TV projects or even returning to private practice. Fast forward to 2025, and Judge Faith is busier than ever. She's launched her own podcast called Faith on Family, where she discusses modern relationships, legal advice, and personal stories from her career. Plus, she's made guest appearances on talk shows and even written a book on navigating divorce with dignity. It's clear she's not slowing down. Instead, she's expanding her influence in the world of family law and media. If you're wondering about Divorce Court itself, the show continues with a new judge, but many agree it just isn't the same without Faith's unique blend of wisdom and wit. Her departure marked the end of an era, but it's exciting to see what she's up to next. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more updates on your favorite TV personalities, and drop a comment below. Do you miss Judge Faith on Divorce Court? Let's keep the conversation going. See you in the next video.